In this video, we're going to be cooking dinner, stuffed green peppers. Hey guys, this is your girl Hidden Treasure. If you're new, welcome back to my kitchen. We're going to be cooking stuffed green peppers. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Okay guys, so let's get started. I have the water boiling for the rice, which I have right here. Just going to put a cup of rice in there. I think I'm going to put another cup. Well, a cup and a half. So, half a cup. I'm going to get that stirring. Take this over to the sink. Let me turn on the stove for the ground turkey. Should I have that on? So I got it on right now. Spoon, how are you guys doing? We're about to have fixed dinner. I am making stuffed green peppers. I've been having a taste for that for a while now. So I decided to make some, and they're really quick and easy. So this video won't be very long at all. So I'm just going to stir that around. Stir it around since it's boiling. And you can use any kind of rice. You can use white rice, brown rice. You can also use quinoa as well. So I'm going to turn that down on low so it can just simmer. You could use jasmine rice. So it's your choice on what type of rice you use. And everybody cook their green peppers differently, but this is how I cook mine. So I'm using jasmine rice. And I've already seasoned the water. And I use bottled water. I don't use tap with the garlic salt. By Tones. I picked this up from Sam's Club. And now I got the fryer on for the ground turkey. And I use Jennie-O. So I'm going to cut this open and put it in the fryer and start to brown the ground turkey. I've already washed and cut the green peppers as well. So that's done. And we're just going to get everything done. I was trying to have everything prepared so that it wouldn't be very long. The video won't be very long. So I tried to prep and prepare. So I'm going to turn this down a little. There we go. I'm going to cut this open. My hands are clean. And what vegetables we're going to put in there, even though I know it's green peppers, I'm going to put some onion and green pepper in there as well. And garlic for the seasoning. So it's going to be onions, green peppers, and garlic. Once I start to brown, and you want to drain your meat. Even though I'm using lean meat, I still drain my meat. Some don't, I do. But again, it's to your liking. I already have the oven preheated to 350 because you're going to sit it in the oven. So hands are clean. I'm just going to put it in there, break it up a little bit. Put the ground turkey in the fryer. Okay. And it goes. And what size? So we're gonna got that browning. Yeah, so the rice is on, and so now we're just gonna let this begin to brown. a little bit before I add the other veggies in here with it. So I'm just going to put this like this. Just kind of break it up a little bit. And then we're going to let it brown. Okay. Okay, guys, so the rice is fully cooked, as you see, drained, sitting there. And the ground turkey is brown. So now I'm going to put a little seasoning salt. It's going to be the garlic salt in there. And you're going to season it to your taste. So let's see here. Hold on one moment. This is a new bottle, so yeah, I gotta open it up. So we're gonna shake some garlic salt in here, just a little bit. Season to taste, to your liking. I'm going to add fresh garlic, minced garlic. I'm going to put that in there. Okay. And you can use yellow onion, white onion, but right now I'm using red onion. So then I'm going to add the onion in here. And even though I am fixing stuffed green peppers, I am going to add some peppers too. Okay. Yeah, we're doing that. So we're going to put all that in. There we go. Then we're just going to mix this up a little bit. Got the heat going. The oven is already on 350. So I'm going to stir this in here for a little bit. Get it mixed up together. And then I'm going to add the canned tomatoes and corn and rice. So I'm going to just let the vegetables kind of saute and caramelize in there a little bit. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so the ground beef, onions, green peppers, and garlic are sauteing. So I'm going to add some rice, as you see, to the mix. A little bit at a time. Stir that in a little. Let's see. Add a little more. And then we're going to add the corn and the tomatoes. And then we're going to get ready to put it in the oven for half an hour. And then we're going to pull it out and we're going to have dinner. Okay, so now I had to change pots because my pot was too small. So I'm about to add the whole kernel corn, just a can. You can use frozen or you can use canned. So I'm going to use the can because I didn't have any frozen corn. But you don't even have to add the corn if you don't want to. Again, some people make it different than others. This is how I make mine. And now I'm going to put in the diced tomatoes. So we're going to put in the diced tomatoes and we're going to stir that in. So let's just mix it all together. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good in my kitchen. So see, I'm just mixing it all together here. Just mixing it all together. And again, I already have the oven preheated. Now, you know that you can use this as burritos. You can use this as a Mexican style dish as well. You know, you can make a burrito. You can make tacos. See how good that's looking? That's looking really, really good. So we have the rice, the tomatoes, the green peppers, the onion, the garlic. Now we're going to add a little cheese to the mix. And we're going to put it in the oven. So we're adding the cheese. I'm using Mexican style cheese. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle some in here. And it's, wow, that just all came out. Okay. So we're just going to mix it up because we're going to put some cheese on top as well. So we're just mixing it up into the meat mix. And there you have it. And you can freeze some of this too because this is a lot. But yeah. So that is the filling for the green peppers. We're going to set it aside and we're going to stuff the green peppers. Okay, you guys, so now we are about to stuff the green peppers. So this is what our mix is looking like. Doesn't that look good? So we're just going to put this in here like so. Try not to make a mess like I just did. But we're going to put that right in there. Okay? And we're going to do each green pepper like that without making a mess, of course. So I'm just going to scoop and put in. Scoop and put in. Okay. There we go. We're going to scoop and put in. Put some more of this in there. That looks better. And then after we stuff the green peppers, we're going to put cheese on top, put it in the oven for about a half an hour. And it will be done. The green pepper shells will be soft. You know. So there we go. And you want to make sure that your peppers can stand on its own. So that's how it's looking. Okay, my mic came out. I had to put it back in. So now we're going to put the Mexican style cheese on top. It's finely shredded. And I just lined my pan with parchment paper or wax paper, whichever you choose to call it. And we're just going to put cheese on top. And we're going to put this in the oven. And then I'm going to plate it and you'll see what it looks like. Let me just clean this mess up right there though. But so that's how we're looking. Looks pretty good. It smells great in my kitchen. I'm ready to eat now. So I'm going to open my oven, put it in here. And I'll see you when it's done. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after it's been in the oven for about a half an hour. This pot's hot. See all the cheesy goodness. I'm gonna plate it for you guys and you'll see what it looks like on the plate. This I'm going to freeze for a later time, and I'm putting this up. So again, you can make burritos with this. You can make a Mexican bowl with this mix. Anything that you choose, you know, according to your liking. So I hope you like this. Oh, and this is very soft. If you look, just very soft to the touch. It's not hard at all. Hope you like it. It's quick and easy. Quick mixture. Nothing difficult. You can do it. It's healthy. So, this is the green stuffed peppers. Thanks for having dinner or lunch with me. So, you're going to see how it looks on the plate with the burrito and the green pepper. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on so whenever I put up a new video, you are made aware of it and you can tune right in. So thanks again for watching. Bye.